Hi beauties, it's Jean Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper, and I did another swap. This is the card that I made, and it is using the Joseph's Coat, and I was using the Good Feelings stamp set that's in the brand new catalog. I used this one that says "You're on my mind and in my heart." I also used the new in color, and then many of these are the new in colors as well, with a little bit of some other colors in there. I think I'm going to do this for my Technique Tuesday, and I'll show you exactly how to do that. So make sure that you are subscribed. Also, give me a thumbs up if you like any of these cards, because people worked so hard. So the way the swap works is I made 7 of these, and then 6 other people made 7 of their cards, and then I gave one of my cards to each and every one of them. They gave their cards to each and every one of us, and so we made 7 of the same cards, came home with 7 different cards. So let me show you the other cards. This one is really cute. You can tell we're really liking these new in colors that are coming out. And so I got this one that was made by my friend Patty. And this one is by Linda. Oh, look at that. That's that sweet sorbet. That nice designer series paper. Very cute. Now this one is a stamp set that got carried over. This was done by Kathleen. Kathy there. And it says, "Let's celebrate you." And look, it's using the sunflower, but with all the new in colors. And then look at this fold. It's a nice little double Z fold. So very pretty. This is the new stamp set. I just got this one. So if you watched my unboxing, you would have seen this one. That's the little birdie. It says, "A little bird told me," and check this out. This is another fun fold. And that is your card. This was made, I believe, by my friend Jenny. Yes. And so look at that. It's got that nice little bumper there, and you can push this up, and it holds your card like that. Isn't that super sweet? And then she used those for little eyeballs. How adorable. The next one is using that bottled stamp set. And it says "Wine Not." Got the great cork in there. It says "Let's get into the spirit" all around here. And then some of the matte metallic gems. So very nice. And this was done by my friend Chris. And then the inside said "Sending Cheer." We got one last one. I don't know who this one was by, but oh my goodness, look at that. It's a little teacup, and then you can see that there's some tea sticking out of here. You can open this up. I haven't opened it yet, so we'll see. This was done by my friend Lori. It's got some lovely little tea in here. It's caffeine-free tea. And look at the color. Look at that. She's amazing like that. And then you can write your little note here. It could be like, "Let's get together for some tea," because this is an "I miss you," and adorable. So I am just so happy with doing these swaps, and these are all stuff from the new catalog, and I am loving it. I didn't know if this ribbon was gonna stick around or not, but it's here, so it looks like it did. Alrighty, look at that. So how great are all these cards that everybody did? I just love them. And not bad for just making one type of card for 7 people, getting this array of cards back. It's so much fun to do these swaps, if you are on my team, you can do these swaps too. Just let me know if you're interested. If you are not on my team, now is a great time to join because they are actually doing an in color where you get, listen to this, all of the in colors in these stamp pads. You also get some other in color stuff. The value is $65. You're going to get that absolutely free when you purchase the kit, which is $99, and then you get to choose $125 worth of your own product that you want. You also get some business supplies, and then you get that in color bundle that's valued at $65 here in the US. So if you do not have a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator here in the US, I would love to be yours. You're going to just go to jeanpiersanti.stampinup.net. There is where you can purchase everything you need to make some of these cards, or join my Stampin' team and you can swap with us next month. All right, beauties, have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you later. Bye!